welcome back to Nail Chronicle for fall design number 2 of 2020. This design I've created using the inverse colors from design number 1, and I'll pop the link up below for you. And the reason I did this is I wanted to show you that you can create infinite number of designs as much as your imagination will allow without having a huge polish collection. There's really no need. You can start off with 5 to 10 polishes, pick some different colors so you have a good range, and away you go. You can create nail art. You don't need anything fancy. If you're looking for something that's a non-stamping nail design, I do suggest that you check out blog post from design number 1. While it was a stamping design, I do include some tips in that post of how you can create a design with very minimal tools or no tools at all. So check it out after this video. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. I started this design with OPI, the It color. So the shade's a bright orange, and I've said in previous videos when I've used it, is a color that I wouldn't wear on its own. It's always part of nail art or some sort of special design. My B nail art, and I'll link that as well, is a classic example of that, is where it was designed specifically for the nail art. It's more just because orange doesn't quite clash, doesn't quite go with my skin tone. And then I used the Manology plate, and I'll pop the details in below. If you do want 10% off Manology, don't forget to use my code, the Nail Chronicle. So, and then just a stamping polish as well by Conad. I decided to go with the deeper red polish. I just wanted to create that contrast, and I thought it would work really well against the orange. Even though some of the stamping images didn't quite work as well as I was hoping, it still created a really nice fall effect and made it look like the leaves were sort of falling through and falling onto my nails, which is kind of cool. Just some general tips for those who are new to nail stamping. Have your scraper at 45 degrees. Try a few different stampers. So occasionally, like this one here, I could not get my Monocle stamper to work. I don't know why. I was just having an off day. But the Conad one, which is more of a solid style stamper, worked fine. So it really just depends on the polish, the plate, and a number of other factors. Like it could be too hot, too cold, it could be drying too quickly. It could be the pressure that it needs. Maybe the plate's not etched up enough because this is an older style plate. There's so many different factors. So don't give up. Try, step away, let out all your frustrations, and just try a different combination of your tools, and that generally sort of fixes any issues that you've got. So this is my design. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and if you need any tips of nail stamping, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye!